How to erase data from lost device remotely. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, open a Google. But first, make sure that the device you are trying to factory reset is or does have your account from where you are doing the reset thing. So for example, this email account is also in the other device. So simply go to manage your Google account, then go to security, scroll all the way down and tap on find a lost device and select the device. After that, what you have to do is an option will appear of factory reset device. Simply tap on it and then tap on next, follow all its instruction and you will be done. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.